Alright guys, welcome back to J-Force Gaming. And are you a student, a lecturer, or job seeker, or basically someone that deals with a lot of paperwork and you have to scan it, to send it to your clients or to your boss, or you need to convert into PDF, all this and that? Well, most of the time you need a professional scanner, an actual scanner that costs, in the hundreds or thousands of dollars. Alright, or you guys can use your phone to scan it, right, using Adobe Scan. But Adobe Scan has very limited limitations, alright, that, personally I don't really use because you can't really do any edits to it. But there is another really amazing solution that I've used, alright, that can actually edit anything I scan, and it has so many more things that can actually be done, alright, on this. And the one that I'm using is this right here. So this is the Wondershare PDFElement, and this thing is one of the most comprehensive, alright, PDF I've ever used, or like a PDF tool that I've ever used. Okay, so basically this one can scan any documents using the app itself, and you guys can edit the scan document using OCR, and you can use a desktop app itself, or you guys can even edit right on your phone, which is really amazing. And it's saved to the cloud, so you guys can have access to it anywhere and whenever you need, which is really one of the most amazing thing I've used. And as for myself as a student and an entrepreneur, I deal with a lot of this kind of paperwork, all this and that. I had to scan like thousands. Okay, 1,000 is a bit more, but like hundreds of documents, and most of the time, alright, if I want to edit certain documents that I've scanned, I have to reprint it and redo that again. But with this one, I can just edit on the spot, which is such a lifesaver and a time saver right here. So right now, I'm going to just demonstrate a few, scanning using my phone and compare it within like Adobe Scan and as well as the PDFElement scanner, and we can see which one has a more ease of usage itself. Okay, so let me just pull out Adobe Scan right here. I'm just going to put this paper on bottom here. So I'm going to scan this document right here. I have a few documents, all right, and you see I have to hold it steady, and you have to wait for a while for it to scan. Well, it does looks okay, but there's only a few limitations that you guys can only do on this Adobe Scan. You guys can crop it, retake it, rotate it, adjust it, clean up, but there's no way you guys can edit it or like merge it or convert into other documentation. But only you can save it as a PDF, and that is all. So this is pretty much you guys can do with Adobe Scan. All right, so I mean the scan is pretty okay. You guys can see everything looks really sharp and clear. All right, but let's just go to the PDFElement itself and see what it can actually do. So with the PDFElement, I can just put this paper, all right, even not lying flat down. You guys can see it is like up, so I don't have to put it really flat down. I can just hover over and just scan. All right, I don't have to wait or hold it there. I can just scan it. I can just press scan, and then instantly, all right, you guys can see, all right, it auto crop out the edges for you. You guys can see how amazing that is, and you guys can also sharpen it. All right, Smart HD. You guys can see you guys have various options that you guys can do, invert and echo it, all the thing. So you guys can also retake, and this one, if it looks okay, you can just click on save. All right, and it will be saved. And now you guys can see, you guys can also do OCR to PDF, enhance scan, and convert PDF to like all the other Word, Excel file, JPEG file, or whatever you want right on the app itself. All right, or you guys can do OCR to PDF. Basically, you guys can edit the text right away. So you guys can choose the English, all right, and you just click on recognize, and you just wait a while, and they will start OCRing the thing. So you guys wait a while, and after a while, all right, you guys can see if you converted to OCR. Okay, so there's a lot of things that you guys can do. You guys can fill and sign. All right, you guys can have a signature, e-signature, all this, and then you guys can do it directly on the app itself. All right, so which is really cool. Especially, let's do the scan of the form again. So if I go to the scan again, and this is the form itself, okay, I can just randomly place whatever I want. Just click on take a picture. All right, it's really fast. Okay, so this is slanted. All right, let me just make sure I am scanning it not on the portrait mode. Okay, so now this is straight. All right, so you guys can see everything looks really good. I can using Smart HD. I think that maybe improves the image quality much better. So right now you guys can see it's optimizing, and it looks so much better right now. So after that, I can just save it. All right, so once you save it, all right, it should be uploaded to the file. You guys can share this and that. So you guys can see it is saved in the cloud itself. So right now I have all the documents in the cloud itself, and what I need to do right now is I can also open it up on my computer right here. Alright, if I go to my desktop right now, you guys can see this is the two scan document that I did earlier on. You guys can see if I open it up, you guys can see, alright, it is being over here. So I can just enable editing over here, and I can just edit it. So I can just edit. Alright, I can add certain text as well. hello, you guys can add certain text to it, all this and that. If I go to home again, and then if I go to this one as well, alright, so I need to perform OCR because that's how I already scanned earlier on. So I just need to perform OCR and let it, do its job. So you guys can see, you guys can fill up directly from your desktop or from your phone, alright, instead of like, filling up the paper itself. Alright, so we can just like, take a picture. If someone like, hey, you need to fill up this one, alright, just take a picture and using this one, the PDFElement, just scan it directly, and you guys can fill up later on, or while you're on the go, so you don't have to when you go home find a pen and a place to sit down and fill it all out. Those are very, very 20s things. All right, now we are in 2026. We gotta use it for more modernized things. So I can instead of like searchable, you guys can see, all right, you can just search image like the one I did earlier on. That's why it's a bit hard to edit. So I can just click on editable only, so you can edit the text itself, all pages. All right, and just click on apply. So right now I can actually edit the text itself, which is really, really cool. So you guys can see what are your actual usage you want to use it for, like searchable, so that you can copy certain words, certain images, and search it up. All right, and right now because I did it because okay, let me just save this first. All right, I did it because I want to. Let me just save it to desktop first. I did it because I want to edit any like certain words or parts over here. So you guys can see this is $100. So I don't want it to be $100. I can edit it to like 200 right now. So you guys can see, all right, I can edit it every single scan text. You guys can see. See, I can edit them instantly. Look at that. All right, so I can edit them. All right, application. I don't want the form. Like maybe there's some some a word wrong. It's not like interbank. It's like intrabank. All right. So okay, let's make it capital. Intrabank. You guys can see. Okay. So and then hey, this is a bit small. Let's make it bigger. There we go. And then I can like align it. Oh, wait, my bad. Okay, let me just align this thing. See, I can just align it, move the word around like kidney SG. I don't like it. Hey, I can move it over to here. You guys can see from a scanned document, from a piece of paper right over here. All right, I can now edit it right on the spot. Can Adobe Scan do that? I don't think Adobe Scan can even do that. You guys can see Adobe Scan can only just scan it and save it to PDF, and that's all. So if there's any mistake, well, you probably have to edit it on the original document, print it out again, scan it, and make it into a PDF again. So it's very, very troublesome. But with this one, this is a form, for example, so I can like fill in my I add text over here. So hey, they want my name, so I can put like my name. Oh, Joben 10. See, I can put my name. I can make it smaller. I can make the font smaller. You guys can see. You guys can just do it right over here, very, very easily. All right, you guys can take a look at that and just move it up here. Hey, you see, the form is already filled, so it's very, very simple. You guys can do whatever edit you want to this. All right, so let me just go ahead and demonstrate to you this again. All right, so you guys can see this one, because the one that I converted to OCR was just only copy, so I can copy the text actually. All right, and I can put it into my notepad. So you guys can see and copy the text and paste it into a notepad. So if you want it to be like this way, you guys can do it this way itself. All right. Right, but if you want to convert it to another like editable one, okay, so right now I'm going to convert this one, as you guys have seen I scanned earlier, into a editable text itself. So I'm going to do the same one with the form itself, and I'll show you guys this one also can be edited. So right now it's not only just copy and paste, but I can actually edit. You guys can see I can add text. I can delete this whole text away, very, very simply, all this and that, and all those images. You guys can see all those text over here. You guys can see all this image. I can just move the image around. You guys can see all this. I can just move them around. All right, all this I can delete them away if I don't like some certain backgrounds. Okay, I can, change the font. I want this one to be like, bold, underline it. All right, and I can have like, certain colors, make it into like light blue. So yeah, you guys can edit from an actual paper document into something that you guys can edit on the spot and save it into PDF or any other file type that you want. You can just go to convert and save it into Word as well. So you can just go into Word. If I go to my desktop, okay, and save it to desktop, all right, and click OK, and you should just convert it to Word document. So yeah, it is that simple. All right, so you guys can see Microsoft Word is opening up, and you guys can see. All right, let me just put it over here. As you can see, it is a Word document right here. Ta-da! Word document. Very, very easy, very, very straightforward. And if you're someone that's doing like job seeking and you want to combine all your certificates, transcript all into one PDF, well, you guys can also go back home, and you guys can also go to combine files. You guys can click on combine files, add some files you want to it. You guys can see all these files over here. All right, and yeah, you guys can see all the files over here, and you want to merge it into a PDF file or whatever file, all this and that, and just click on apply. All right, and this is the combined PDF. All right, if I open this up, you guys can see, hey, it is a combined PDF right here. All right, so yeah, this is one whole file together. So this is how easy it is to combine it at the same time. So yeah, this is really, really amazing. If you guys want it to, like, want to protect it, or you want to, like, sign it. All right, if you want to do like signatures, you guys can also do that with signatures as well. Okay, so let me just bring you to the app itself. Just do this on the app itself. So you can just click on signature and just click on create, and you can sign your own signature over here. So I'm just do a random signature, as you guys can see right over here. Just click on got it, and now, all right, when I click on signature again, all right, I can click on my signature, and I can place it whenever I want. Just tap on the screen or anywhere I want. Can resize it to wherever I want. Just place it anywhere. All right, at the signature column over here, and bam, all right, it is done. So this is how easy to add a signature. And now you can just add certain stamps as well, like the approved stamp. Just tap on anywhere, so that you can just resize it. All right, and change it to any rotation and angle, and this is how easy it is just to sign a document or prove a stamp onto a document using the app itself. You can also do that as well. Yeah, you guys can request an e-sign as well from different people. So yeah, which is really, really cool. So you guys can sign it, convert it, edit it, all this from a scan to a one that like I say, Adobe Scan, I don't think Adobe Scan can certainly do that. So with this, you guys can have access to the cloud, and you guys can, edit it directly from your phone, edit it directly from your PC, your laptop, whenever you want, wherever you are at. You don't have to be specifically at home, where you guys can work on the go, because it all saved to the cloud itself. So this is a very, very robust ecosystem that, you guys can scan and just edit right away without waiting to go home or buy an expensive scanner, and do all that, which is, all these things that can only be done using PDFElement. And this is my go-to PDF editor whenever I want to do anything that's related to PDF, scanning of documents. This is my most helpful tool. It can save me so much time. All right, and any mistakes I see on the form itself, and I want to send it to my clients, all this and that, hey, I can just edit on the go, right, before I send it to the client. So there's a lot of time where the document itself, all right, there's some errors to it, and this is really, really helped me in a way that can save me so much time. Instead of like redoing everything again, I can just edit one small mistake and send this into a PDF file to the client, and I'm done. So which is really, really time saving and a really huge lifesaver, especially for those who are student, job seeker, or you're a lecturer, or you're just someone that deals with a lot of paperwork. This will be the perfect solution for you. So yeah, so if you guys want to check out this Wondershare PDFElement and start saving a ton of time, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this Wondershare PDFElement for yourself right now, and you don't have to worry about anything slowing you down or your productivity at all. So, and they do have a lot of other features that I didn't go through in this video, because if I were to go through every of the features in this video, this whole video is going to be an hour or 2 hours long. They will have AI built in to assist you and all this and that, which is really, really incredible in a way that really helps with any professions that you're dealing with right now. So once again, you want to check out this really amazing, really great app scanner, all right, and a really, really great comprehensive PDF tool that lets you convert, edit, all right, OCR, scan document into that. It's really incredible. All right, you guys can check out this Wondershare PDFElement. I'll link them the first link in the description down below for you guys to go and check it out and get it for yourself right now. So that's all for you guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Do let me know in the comment section as well, and do give it a thumbs up. And without further ado, this is 𝖩 Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.